Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine at your home. Now, this is Mount Summer School, and I am your computer teacher, Sunny Kumar, and we are going to start our video classes. So, first chapter is input, output, and storage devices. In this chapter, we are going to discuss about what is input, output and storage devices, how they works and what are their features. So a computer works in the same way. We all know you enter information into the computer with the help of input devices. So by input devices we can enter information into the computer, either it is mouse, keyboard, like that. These are called input devices. The CPU processes the information and you receive the output through output devices. So after input, what we have to follow, what is going to process. Without processing we do not got any information, and with the raw fact and figure that is not possible to understand the things. So we have to process the input by the help of CPU. After that, the output through output devices. How will we got our output? By using output devices, that is monitor or printer. From monitor we can get soft copy, and by the printer we can get hard copy. Then after, the output is then stored in storage devices, and if we want for a particular thing to store, we can store in our storage devices with for the use in future. Next, input devices. Devices that help us enter data into computer are called input devices. We can input data with the help of these kind of devices, which are known as input devices. So a few input devices are keyboard, mouse, joysticks, microphones, web camera and scanner. By the help of these devices we can input the data successfully in our computers. Here in the figure, keyboard has shown, mouse, joystick, then after microphone, web camera and scanner. These diagrams clearly showed the what other things in computer input devices are. Next, processing devices. What is processing devices? All the input is stored, arranged and changed by a computer. Okay, the device that helps the computer to do so is called processing device. So without process you cannot got information, raw data inputted by the help of input devices, and then after that goes for processing. Without processing we cannot got information. So processing is very important thing in computer. Next, output devices. After processing, the information displayed, or we can got soft copy or hard copy by the help of output devices. So from for soft copy, monitor displays the information, and for hard copy the printer gives us the output in pages. We can print it. So the definition, simple definition is that the parts of computer that help us to show results of processing are called output devices. A few output devices are monitor, printer, speaker and headphones. These are few output devices. We can clearly you can clearly see that in our displays. Next, storage devices. What are storage devices? The parts of computer which are used to storing data are called storage devices. They help in storing any work done on computer permanently. A few storage devices are hard disk, floppy disk, compact disk and pen drive. So these storage devices, we can store the data. The hard disk is permanent storage device. This is assembled in computers, and some uh, portable storage devices also available. For example, floppy disk, compact disk, and pen drive are portable devices. We can port it from one place to another. We can share information with the help of these. Okay, next. So last and very important thing, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.